Okay, hello. I just did this recording, but I didn't do my whole screen, so let's retry. Um, so my console up here, I'm not gonna show anything over there, but you can see I already had some tests going. Um, Pretty much, I'll go over what I was doing earlier. This is my Vim create server. I have another file in here that pretty much has all my AWS credentials, but I'm not gonna share that obviously. And then this is the command I'm using to instantiate an instance. I use user data, which pretty much is a way to push scripts into the instance. So right now I have an HTML file in there. Uh, I'll show you really quick, but and then oh yeah, and then to access the ID, I'm pretty much accessing the JSON file that is returned by this command, and then inserting it into the SQLite database, and then I'm using OS system here to use the last ID that's inserted from the SQLite database, which should be the same one matching, and then the instance ID that was captured from the command, and then I'll really quick. I'm not going to go too in depth in the other ones, but and then I'm going to show monitor node really quick. This is all stuff on, well, not exact, but they pretty much show how to access the instant IDs from this and then how to see where the state is running. So the state is captured from this query right here. And then I pretty much check when I send that os.system, I check if it is running, and then I access the public IP address and then just return the instance ID and the public IP setting ready equal to 1. And then, so I'll just show really quick. I was doing this test earlier. I'll do the same thing. I'm gonna do a create server.py. Should create an instance on the left, and then it's gonna show an ID of 4 because I was testing it earlier, but they're not running obviously. Um, but they're still in the SQLite database. And you see right here, this is from the last. This is the running one now. You saw it updated. It's initializing right now, and the IP address is this. And then if I wanna, let's see, if I wanna check it, it should show a IP address, meaning it's running. That means the monitor new node is working. Right there, it shows the same thing. It matches. It's the owner, the description, and the web server name. Description of the the instance, and then I'm going to show all of them. This is just an example to show like if there were multiple instances running. You could see the one that just got updated. It matches this, and then these are old ones again from me testing it. And then, well, this is gonna status check for a bit, meaning that it's not gonna load until the checks are done. So I'll get Microsoft Edge ready. It doesn't work on Google Chrome. Honestly, it's a whole thing. I don't know. But 54, so not gonna do it yet. And then I guess I could show their code. This is the script that I'm pushing through the user data, setting some HTML. I don't know if this is the best way of doing it, honestly, but this is just telling the instance to update the container. I mean the VM, install the Apache server, start it, enable it, and then this is I'm sending over to the index.html because that's where we normally store it, and then yeah, this is setting up for project dates. Then I wait for this to run. It's still status checking, so I guess I could show kind of how I did these. It's nothing crazy. Just connecting to the server.db, selecting from the server's database that I create. I fetch all, and then I return everything. And then, API. This is the exact same thing. I'm finding the ID that's given to me, and then if the ID matches, I fetch that one, and then I return the result as a JSON. I mean not as a JSON, sorry, as a dictionary. That's why I'm putting it to a JSON, and then let's hope this still loading, but I guess we'll just wait really quick. like, yeah, there it is. It checks, and then it should work here. Oh, okay. Wait, it's not gonna work, obviously. Wait. HTTP. Oh, that's what I have to do it through here. 54. Nope, that's the old one. .87.41.1. So it matches. You can see, and then here, you can see the HTML running on the instance, and yeah, the VM. So it's working. Yeah. Thank you.